Hello guys, welcome to my channel Digital World with Ankita. In today's video, we are going to continue the discussed chapter of last video, Work and Energy of Class 9 CBSE. Okay, so now let's start the topic. In today's topic, we will discuss Law of Conservation of Energy. So, what's Law of Conservation of Energy? Let me write the definition. So, Law of Conservation of Energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. इसका मतलब है कि जो लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी है वो उसको बनाया नहीं जा सकता, ना ही उसको डिस्ट्रॉय किया जा सकता है. बस उसका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में. लाइक इफ वी टेक एग्जांपल, now let's discuss some transformation of energy. Okay. At first, let us take some example like electric motor. It converts from electrical energy to mechanical energy. Let me write some more examples. So here are some examples of transformation of energy like electric motor, electric generator, steam engine, electric bulb and dry cell. So now let's discuss from which energy to which energy it converts. Electric motor converts from electrical energy to mechanical energy. Electric generator converts from mechanical energy to electrical energy. Steam engine, it converts from heat energy to kinetic energy. As we have discussed the kinetic and potential energy in our last video. Now electric bulb converts from electrical energy to light energy. And dry cell, it converts from chemical energy to electrical energy. And now let us discuss our next topic. And okay, let's take first one more example, that's solar cell. It converts from light energy into electrical energy. It is just opposite of the electric bulb. Okay, now let's go to the next topic. So our next topic is power. What is power? It is the rate of doing work or the rate at which energy is transformed or used to transform to other form is called power. Means ये एक तरह का वर्क करने का एक एनर्जी होता है जो एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में ट्रांसफर होता है, उसे ही पावर कहते हैं. एंड नाउ फॉर्मूला ऑफ पावर. Power is equal to work by time, W by T. It's one more formula is there, energy consumed by time taken. So now let's write the SI unit of power. SI unit of power is watt. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second, or 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt is equal to 1000 joules per second. Okay, now let's write what is 1 horsepower. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Now, let us discuss what is average speed. Formula of average speed. It is total energy by total time taken. Okay, and here as I said, kW. kW means kilowatt. Kilowatt is the largest rate of energy. Our next topic is commercial unit of energy. Let me write the definition first. Commercial unit of energy is the amount of electric energy consumed by an appliance of power 1000 watt in 1 hour. And now let's write what is 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt into 1 hour is equal to 1000 watt into 3600 second. 1000 joule per second, as we discussed before that 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. So here that formula only uses, and 3600 second. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. And now 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. It is the SI unit, we can say. Now in part 1, as we discussed about some positive work and other things, so let me write what is cos 30. Some formulas that are, it's very important, maybe asked in exam. We discussed there about cos 90. What's its value? We will write here. It's important part. Cos 30 is equal to this. Cos 45 is equal to this. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Just remember them nicely. Okay. So this was our complete chapter. Now if you have any doubt, you may ask in the comment section, and if you have not seen the video of part 1 of this chapter, I will provide the link in the description, and I will also provide the link in the comment section also. So please go and watch it, and if you have understood the chapter, like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates, and share it to all the students for their understanding. So thank you for watching till the end.